muscles.
Oh. Hello guys, and welcome back once again to the channel. So for today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of preparation work for the newly acquired Mark IV Mondeo's MOT, which is due to take place a little bit later this week. There's a few things to sort out on the list. I'm actually in the process of going to pick up Reggie from school, and then we're going to be heading over to a local tyre fitter to get a new tyre sorted. As you can see from this picture, the state of the tyre that's currently on the car at the minute is not particularly good, and it will definitely fail MOT, so we'll get that sorted out. I'm also going to get a couple of windscreen wiper blades, because the ones that again are on the car at the moment are not great. They're not clearing the windscreen very well. And then I also need to do some replace some bulbs as well. Ones that I know of. I've got a side light, a headlight, and also a brake light that are currently not working, so we'll get them fitted as well. And then I think as well we need to give this car quite a substantial clean, as you probably saw from the last video that I did of this car when I introduced it to the channel. It is in one hell of a state. It's very dirty indeed, and needs a good spit and polish and a bit of a hoover. So hope you enjoy watching the video. Let's get straight into it.
You know cars, when they go crazy,
Yeah.
they're called a crazy car.
What do you think, dude?
No.
Done a good job. That's my... Well, that was alright, wasn't it, dude? Did you enjoy watching him change the wheel? You want blue tack?
Yeah. I want blue tack.
Okay, so the next task that we're going to do is we're going to fit some new wiper blades. So we'll just put these on. You can see as I start to squirt the fluid, it is a little bit smeary. I don't know if it's picking it up all that well on camera, but we'll get some Asda specials that I've purchased. We'll get those fitted now. Oh, they're fouling on the lip of the bonnet. Okay. Okay. I was hoping that I'd be able to stop them at the point where they were here, turning the ignition off. There's probably a way of actually having these come up without it knocking on there, and I just don't know. There's got to be a better way than this. Okay, I've just pulled that out. Maybe I can have it there and go in like that. I know what I'm doing. So I've just removed the bonnet stay from this hole, shoved it into here, and then put it into there so that I've got enough clearance for me to then be able to lift the arms of the wiper blades. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what we can break today. Does that come in? I think it would. There we go. There's like a push button here that you've got to depress, and then that should release the blade like that. Look pretty similar. Just looking at it, it looks as if I've got to attach that to this. Take this one off and attach that one, because I think that square goes into the hole in the arm. Does that go on there? That's on. Slide through there and then line it up. There's the click and it's on. Take that off. Looks spot on to me. Right, get that one done. Right, so now that I sort of know what I'm doing, what we've got on this blade, it's this little push clip there. You got to sort of press something into that like that, and as you push down, it should, in theory, release the blade. Press in like that, and out it comes. Get the new one. Need that. That's the one we want. come on, you're in there somewhere. There we are. And so we've got to take this off completely, like that. Chuck that away, don't need that. Get this one, make sure it's the right way around. Push that in there until it clicks. And that square thing there where my thumb is, that's obviously got to line up with the square hole in the arm. Gone in, and then push until it clicks in. Pull this white plastic out of the way. Bullseye. Anyone would think I was a professional. Now I just need to relocate the bonnet stay back in its original hole. Well, they're not falling off, that's a start. Doesn't appear to be smearing either. Fantastic. Next job. Now I know I've definitely got a brake light out, but I can't remember which side it is. So I'm gonna use a prop and jam the brake pedal against the seat and see which one it is. Oh, okay, it's that one. Like Smatter Speed, the movie.
Wait, still on the gas pedal.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so it looks as if we've got some access panel in the back. Let's have a look. We've got these little push clips, I'm guessing. We just squeeze on either side of those, is it? Does that come out? There we go. Easy enough. And that's the faulty bulb, the one on the bottom. Right, so we'll put this bar back into place so that we can light up the brake light in the back. You can see obviously you've got the light on there. This one is not. In the case of taking that out like that and fit the new one. Sorted. And then we'll just put it back into the slot in the lens. Ah. What happened there? Oh, for God's sake. It's fell through the hole into the lens. Oh. I can't get it. I think I'm going to have to take the cluster out now. Right, so now I've got to undo the 3 nuts that are holding the lens to the car. 10mm spanner on the job. This will give you lot at least something else interesting to watch. Right, so with those 3 nuts removed, I think it's simply a case of we've just got to push up on this and just push against the underside of the lens, and that should hopefully remove it. There we go. You're kidding? There's 2 bulbs in here. Look, you can see, look, there's 2 bulbs in here, so I'm going to have to see if I can try and shake this onto a soft surface to see if these 2 will fall out. Never a dull moment. Oh, there's one. Where's the other one? Well, it was in here a second ago. Where the hell is it? Has it just fell out? Unless I brought it round here. The other one had fell out into the boot floor. Oh God. Right, so with both bulbs removed, we best put the lens back. So the first thing that we're doing is that slot there on the back of the lens. It's just got to slot into the white plastic peg. And hopefully the 3 threads on the back of the lens will slot in as well. That's good. And then the 3 nuts there on the back of the lens. I can't believe I did that. Although interestingly, it does beg the question, why was there another one in there as well? Is it a common problem with this car? Right, let's try to not lose it this time. Fantastic! And look, a full set of brake lights. Eventually. Right, remove that. Time for the next job. So the next bulbs to replace are a side light and a headlight. Now I'm aware that one has blown on each side, but I can't remember which way round it is, so we'll better put the lights on now and have a look. Right, okay, so it's this side light, which will probably mean it's that headlight. Yeah, okay, no problem. So access behind the headlight is looking pretty tight. I think what I'm going to need to do is actually take it off of the car. So we've got a couple of Torx bolts, top and bottom. So we'll get those out and hopefully we can get the headlight out. There's one. There's two. I can't quite pull that headlight out because it's fouling on this part of the bumper. Oh, hang on. Okay, so I could just take it out from there. Ah, okay, that's better. Leave that out of the way. There's a side light. It literally just pulls out like that. And there we go. Right, take that one out. Put that one in. Sorted, and then we'll put it back. Go on, in you go. Fantastic. Put the cover back on. One, whoops, two, and just manhandle the headlight back into its slot. Excellent. So we've got two working side lights. Just need to now sort the main light out on this one. And if you can just see here, look, you've got this little lever that's just here, so you just need to just make sure that you push that up and then grab the back of the bulb holder, and there she is. Take that out and get the new one. Slot that in. You need to press that lever again as you put it in. Just be careful not to lose this one in the lens as well. There we go. Fantastic. Job done. While we've got the bonnet up, we best top up the screen wash as well. Excellent. Fantastic. Time to fetch the little man from school. What you got? Oh, is that Dr. Robotnik?
Bring me the vile creature who drew this cartoon!
I did the mustache.
A moustache.
I need to do that pink.
Right then, dude. Let's clean this thing.
Is that enough? Is that enough?
Just a bit more and then wipe. Yeah, go on then wipe. Then wipe. That's it. Good lad.
That's how dirty the car is.
That's shocking.
Yeah.
Well, it's not perfect, but it's certainly looking a lot better than it did, pal, isn't it? And you're certainly doing a cracking job. Look at that. It's getting very shiny on this side. Do you want to do any of the bits of crap that we've got round here?
I can see that a new tyre because it's got that yellow thing.
No, Bob! You're wrecking Reggie's good work. Look at him. Well, I have to say that is the cleanest that this car has looked in the time I've had it. Look at the shine on that. And look at inside as well. Little man has done a cracking job. Very respectable. You never know. Might even pass.
Are we here?
We are here, pal.
It looks a bit like Mummy's car. It looks like Mummy's car.
That was going to be a really smooth entry to park in front of the MOT parking sign, but Daddy stalled it. Well then, dude. Looks like we got a good result, yeah? Show the camera. We got a pass.
Everything.
We have a pass. So you were right.
We passed everything.
We did. We got an advisory on front tyre, I think. But other than that, we're all good. We can drive it legally.
The Beamer.
No, not the Beamer yet. Well, we can, technically, but I'm on about this. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Good. Your cleaning job obviously managed to persuade them. Right then, little man, I think we need to be making our car meet with the cars off of your lorry.
There's another one of the three-wheel cars.
Well, I think it goes without saying that that is quite an impressive car meet that the little man's put together. Right then, guys, okay, so that was our video of the MOT preparation for Mondeo, Steve the Mondeo. So yeah, as Reggie has obviously shown to you, we have a pass. We have a passed MOT certificate. You want to hold that? Congratulations, Reg. Right, so of course I hope that you enjoyed watching the video today. I just want to obviously pass on just quickly some thanks before we wrap things up. So firstly, I would like to say firstly to Glenn's Tyres for getting a tyre sorted out on the car. Absolutely super, highly recommended company, and they were dirt cheap, so that was really good. So thank you very much, Glenn's Tyres, for sorting us out. To Asda, of course, for sorting out the windscreen wipers. They fitted perfectly, and in the end, they were pretty straightforward. It was my messing around that delayed the process. I want to pass a thanks on to the Capri as well, because although we did get a brake light sorted on the Mondeo, in the end, I had to very temporarily try to get one off of the Capri to get it through its test, and it was only that I discovered a second bulb in the back of the lens that I was able to put it back. So I guess I ought to thank the Capri for helping us out. But I guess also, and of course, Tuxford Road Garage for sorting the MOT out. Thank you guys for giving Steve a 12-month MOT. It's greatly appreciated. But I guess the biggest thanks has got to be finished for you, little man. You were absolutely awesome in cleaning the car. You've done a super job. So I want to say a massive thank you to you. And because you are so awesome, look, that's your green card. That's the one that I gave to you as a thank you for helping us out. So I guess you need to put it with your green cars, yeah? Where are you going to fit it? You're nearly run out of space. The whole landing's covered in cars. He's found some room, so that's good. Right then, guys, so if you did like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you, pal. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Any comments you want to put forward will, of course, be greatly appreciated. Social media platform details and my email address are in the description below. If you'd like to check those out, please feel free to do so. And if you'd like to give me and the little man some support with our YouTube channel, then please do hit the subscribe button. We'd really appreciate your support. Right, so until the next episode, guys, thank you so much for watching, and your continued support as ever, and we shall see you very soon. Take care of yourselves. Cheers now. Bye-bye. Right.
Let's do colouring.
We want to do some colouring now, yeah? You found the page, have you? Oh, yeah, we're going to do what we're going to colour. Is that Spidey? What?
Spin.
Spin. Oh, sorry. What colour's spin?
Them bits are red, them bits are white, that bit's red, that bit's red, that bit's red, that bit's red, and all the rest is black, and then that bit's white.